It's almost beach weather today, in actual fact. This one was taken by Roger out in Norfolk. Very pleasant indeed, but it will be a much cloudier affair tomorrow. The rain is coming in during the course of tonight. It will be turning damp across many parts of the country, surging up from the southwest across Wales, north and west of England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Be falling onto frozen surfaces for a time across Scotland, so some slick conditions here and some snow to the north of the central belt. But it will be turning milder from the south and very little in the way of rain, which is East Anglia and the southeast. So above freezing tomorrow morning in contrast to today, but it will be a cloudier day in general. Further dribs and jabs of rain across the north and the west of the country, but again across the south and the east mostly dry with some brightness around. So it will be a day of contrast. By the afternoon, some of us will be lucky with some spells of sunshine. For example, to the east of the Pennines, reasonable enough here. Out west, though, rather more cloud with further rain or drizzle at times. Some dry spells for the east of Scotland, whereas out west, I think it will stay predominantly cloudy with further drizzly rain, some fog up over the high ground too. I'm hopeful it will brighten for a time across Northern Ireland, some sunshine through the afternoon, but for Wales I think it'll stay largely cloudy with further patchy rain, particularly out west. A lot of uncertainty about the southwest, but for a time at least, West Devon and Cornwall could well perk up with some afternoon sunshine, whereas further east I think it'll stay largely cloudy. Mild though, 9 or 10 degrees, and across the southeast of England I think we'll live a charmed life here with some spells of sunshine. 11 degrees in London, very pleasant indeed. On Thursday, a bit of a turnaround because its southern area is affected by this front, and it's a dividing line between mild air to the south, hence the yellows, and chillier air to the north. So it will be a day of contrast on Thursday, cloudy, damp and mild in the south, 10 or 11 degrees, brighter but chillier in the north at just 5 or 6. And we'll keep those contrasts going through to the weekend.